Hey guys, are you looking portable MIG welder? In this video I will show you top 5 best portable MIG welder to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, ANDELI, model number, MIG 250E. With this multifunction welding machine, you will be able to save time and money when meeting different welding needs. This machine is used for welding ordinary thin steel and iron. IGBT inverter technology, utilizing the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters, allowing a huge increase in duty cycle. It is very suitable for home DIY and general maintenance work and is used for professional welders and welding enthusiasts. Mini welding welder machine with a large capacity and small size, easy to carry and store. This MIG welding machine uses wire welding technology to make welding more efficient and faster. Portable, easy to operate, suitable for a wide range of locations, including plants, construction sites, and ships. Number 4. Brand name, HITBOX, model number, MIG 200, equipped with a smart digital LCD display, and the welding parameter is built in with precise data. Digitally controlled, it automatically adapts to the recommended current and wire feed speed by selecting wire diameter and gas material. You can also configure the welding current to suit your soldering habits. Easy to use for beginners or professional welders. It is suitable for pipe fitting, mold repair, petrochemical industry, building decoration, automobile repair, bicycle, crafts, and general manufacturing. Synergic control of welding, multiple parameter combinations with welding. Voltage parameter adjustment to make welding professional. The HITBOX MIG 200 can weld aluminum, copper, iron, carbon steel, stainless steel, etc. Digital operating panel for clear and reliable welding. Number 3. Brand name, SSIMDER, model number, MIG 140. This MIG welder is perfect for beginners who are looking for an easy-to-use welding machine. With its synergic mode, the voltage is automatically adjusted by regulating the current, making it incredibly easy to operate and start. Plus its advanced IGBT and inverter technology ensures efficient and portable welding, so you can take it anywhere you need to weld. This wire feed MIG welder is suitable for welding iron, carbon, steel, and etc. Great choice for household welding, or DIY project on steel. Its wide compatibility makes it an ideal flux core welder, capable of handling a wide range of welding jobs, from fabrication to repair. With everything you need to start welding, you can save time and money by avoiding the need to purchase additional accessories separately. Very easy to operate and start for beginners. Number 2. Brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, MIG 185-2. MIG 185-2 welding machine is designed with the latest color LED display, provides you with accurate data display for increased control and reliability. The ergonomic design and lightweight model make the machine very easy to carry. The wire feeding speed and voltage can be automatically matched with the current adjustment, and you can also adjust the wire feeding speed according to your preference. Its strong anti-electricity fluctuation ability and high energy storage ability can stabilize output current. The ergonomic design and lightweight model make the machine very easy to carry. It is equipped with overload and overheating system. Feel free to use. Widely welding stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, etc. HZXVOGEN MIG 185-2 MIG welder came with color LED panel. It makes the setting parameter very easy to read. The portable handle makes it easier to operate, and the lightweight design makes it more convenient to carry. Number 1. Brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, HVM 200. Full digital control system to realize precise control and stable arc length during welding. Great reduction in metal loss obviously enhances the welding efficiency and energy saving effect. The product is equipped with the most advanced IGBT inverter protection system, the arc response is fast and the output is stable, and the welding effect is good. Switching frequency is beyond audio range, which almost eliminates noise pollution. Perfect for home, auto repair shop, other welding shop. Overcurrent and overcurrent protection function, no need to worry about the internal transformer burning due to overheating of the machine. HZXVOGEN HVM200 is suitable for household size.